Hi guys, this is Nathan Cope from nathancope.com. In this video we're going to look at how to install memory in our motherboard. So right now we should have our motherboard still outside of the case. We've been installing the processor and the heatsink, and now we're going to install the memory, and it's a pretty quick process. I'm going to go over it in a little bit of detail just so we can sort of make sure we catch any questions along the way. So on your motherboard, this picture is actually taken right out of the motherboard manual. This is an example of the memory slot that's on the board. It's just drawn in a way to make it clear to see. It's really, really easy to do. All you need to do is pull these tabs back on the memory slot.